In this video, we listed the 15 best smart oven for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Magnetic Levitating Flower Pot. The Magnetic Levitating Flower Pot is a modern and eye-catching addition to home or office decor. Designed as a black hexagon suspension floating plant pot, it employs magnetic levitation technology to hover and rotate 360 degrees, offering a visually stunning display for small plants like air bonsai, succulents, or herbs. This innovative flower pot combines futuristic technology with natural beauty, making it ideal for those who appreciate unique and artistic design elements. Its sleek black hexagonal design fits seamlessly into contemporary spaces, and the floating feature adds an element of tranquility and fascination. The pot's rotation not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also ensures even exposure to sunlight for the plants it holds. Product 2. Product name: Simpl Laundry Detergent Cup Holder. The Simpl 2-pack laundry detergent cup holder is a practical and innovative accessory designed to streamline your laundry routine. Featuring an upgraded drip tray, this detergent cup holder prevents messes and leaks by catching any drips or spills from your detergent or fabric softener dispensers. Its grip-style design ensures a secure fit, making it compatible with most detergent bottles. This product is particularly beneficial for maintaining a clean and organized laundry space. The holders are easy to install and can be removed or repositioned as needed, making them both versatile and user-friendly. Perfect for households of all sizes, the Simpl Laundry Detergent Cup Holder is an excellent addition to anyone looking to simplify their laundry experience and eliminate the hassle of sticky or stained laundry surfaces. Product 3. Product name: OsteoCical Pillow. The OsteoCical Pillow is a specialized orthopedic pillow designed to provide neck pain relief and enhance sleep quality. Featuring an innovative hollow design, it promotes proper spinal alignment by supporting the natural curvature of the neck. The pillow is made from odorless memory foam, which adapts to the user's head and neck contents, ensuring comfort and pressure relief. A cooling case enhances the sleeping experience, maintaining a refreshing surface temperature, especially helpful for hot sleepers. The adjustable design allows users to customize the pillow height and firmness, catering to various sleeping styles, including side, back, and stomach sleeping positions. Product 4. Product name: Aexi Smart Food Kitchen Scale. The Aexi Smart Food Kitchen Scale is a premium kitchen tool designed for those who value precision, nutrition tracking, and convenience. It's particularly suited for individuals pursuing weight loss, fitness goals, or maintaining a balanced diet. Key features include nutritional calculator with app integration. The scale pairs with a free app that tracks 19 essential nutrients, including calories, macros, and micronutrients, offering comprehensive nutritional insights. Precision measurement accurately measures in both grams and ounces, supporting up to 11 pounds of weight, making it suitable for a wide range of foods and ingredients. High-quality build, constructed from premium stainless steel, the scale is durable, easy to clean, and complements modern kitchen aesthetics. Weight loss support, ideal for portion control and meal prep, helping users make informed decisions to stay on track with dietary goals. Product 5. Product name: Work Sharp 2 Malawian Quarters. The Work Sharp 2 Malawian Quarters professional electric knife and tool sharpener is a versatile and adjustable sharpening system designed for precision and efficiency. This professional-grade tool caters to both knives and a wide range of tools, making it ideal for household, outdoor, and workshop needs. Key features: adjustable sharpening system, equipped with angle guides that can be adjusted to sharpen various blade types, ensuring consistent and razor-sharp edges. Electric operation, powered by a reliable motor, it delivers consistent results with minimal effort, suitable for both novice and experienced users. Versatile compatibility, designed to sharpen kitchen knives, outdoor blades, scissors, axes, and even tools like chisels and screwdrivers. Durability, Built with high-quality materials to withstand repeated use in demanding conditions. Ease of use, intuitive controls and guided sharpening paths make it user-friendly, even for those new to sharpening tools. Product 6. Product name PT210 Gas Leak Detector. The PT210 Gas Leak Detector is a reliable and essential safety tool designed for detecting natural gas leaks in residential and RV settings. It is particularly adept at identifying propane, methane, and other combustible gas leaks, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. Equipped with both audible and visual alarms, the PT210 ensures prompt notification of gas presence, enhancing user safety. Its compact, handheld design is complemented by the inclusion of 2 batteries, ensuring it is ready to use right out of the box. The device's bright orange color improves visibility, making it easy to locate in emergencies. Whether for home or mobile use, this gas detector is an indispensable tool for pinpointing and addressing potential hazards effectively. Product 7. Product name Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. The Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor is an innovative device designed to help users monitor and maintain a healthier living environment. Equipped with advanced sensors, this device tracks key indoor air quality metrics such as particulate matter, PM, volatile organic compounds, VOx, carbon monoxide, CO, temperature, and humidity. Seamlessly integrated with Alexa, the monitor provides real-time updates on air quality and offers voice-enabled insights for added convenience. It's an ideal addition for users who prioritize health and wellness in their homes or workspaces. The monitor can deliver notifications directly to your smartphone via the Alexa app, ensuring you stay informed about changes in air quality, whether you're at home or away. Product 8. Product name Beller Classic Waffle Maker. The Beller Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker is a high-performance kitchen appliance designed to elevate your breakfast experience with ease and precision. Constructed with durable stainless steel, this waffle maker features a rotating design to ensure even cooking and crispy yet fluffy results every time. Its non-stick plates facilitate easy waffle release and hassle-free cleanup, making it ideal for daily use. The inclusion of a removable drip tray adds convenience by catching any batter overflow, keeping your countertop clean. With an adjustable browning control, you can customize the crispiness and texture of your waffles to suit personal preferences. Product 9. Product name MILESEEY Laser Measure Device. The MILESEEY 229-foot digital laser measure device is a highly precise and versatile tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It boasts advanced measurement capabilities, including an electronic angle sensor that ensures exceptional accuracy within plus or minus 2 mm. With a measurement range of up to 229 feet, 70 meters, this device is ideal for tasks requiring reliable long-distance measurements. Key features include area, volume, and Pythagorean theorem calculations, making it an excellent choice for construction, renovation, interior design, and real estate applications. The 2-inch LCD backlit display ensures clear visibility in various lighting conditions, and the mute function allows for quiet operation in noise-sensitive environments. Product 10. Product name Frle Digital Kitchen Food Scale. The Frle Digital Kitchen Food Scale is a versatile and practical tool designed for cooking, baking, and dietary needs. Combining functionality and style, this digital scale features a removable stainless steel mixing bowl that is both dishwasher safe and durable. The scale can measure ingredients in grams and ounces, offering precision for various recipes, whether you're baking pastries, preparing meals, or managing portion sizes for dietary goals. With an 11 pounds capacity, the scale is suitable for a wide range of tasks, from weighing small quantities of spices to larger amounts of flour or produce. The bright red finish adds a pop of color to your kitchen, making it a stylish yet functional gift for cooking enthusiasts or anyone starting their culinary journey. Key features include a clear digital display for easy reading of measurements, a measuring cup design integrated into the bowl for added convenience, compact and lightweight construction for easy storage and portability. Product 11. Product name Govee Wi-Fi Water Sensor 3-Pack. The Govee Wi-Fi Water Sensor 3-Pack is a smart solution designed to protect your home or basement from water leaks, providing peace of mind through advanced technology. This set of water leak detectors is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for real-time monitoring via a dedicated app on your smartphone. It features an adjustable 100 dB alarm, which activates when water is detected, ensuring you are alerted to any potential water damage before it becomes a major issue. In addition to the loud alarm, the system also sends instant push notifications and email alerts to your phone, so you can take action quickly, even when you're not at home. This makes it an ideal addition for users concerned with home maintenance or those managing properties like basements or areas prone to leaks. With its user-friendly setup and reliable alerts, the Govee Wi-Fi water sensor offers an effective and smart solution to prevent costly water damage. Product 12. Product name DayBetter Smart Light Bulbs. The DayBetter Smart Light Bulbs offer a versatile lighting solution for modern homes, with features that integrate seamlessly into your smart home ecosystem. These 9W RGBCW color-changing light bulbs, A19, 800LM, can be controlled via Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free operation. Designed to work over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, they do not require a hub, making them easy to set up and use. These bulbs allow you to customize your lighting with a wide range of colors, from warm whites to vibrant hues, to match any mood or setting. Ideal for various applications, such as living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, this 10-pack ensures that you have enough bulbs to outfit multiple areas of your home, offering both convenience and energy efficiency. Whether you're adjusting the ambience for a movie night, setting up a cozy reading space, or enhancing a party atmosphere, the DayBetter Smart Light Bulbs are a reliable and customizable lighting solution. Product 13. Product name Portion Control Bariatric Plates. The Portion Control Bariatric Plates and Bowls set is designed to assist individuals managing weight loss or maintaining healthier diets, particularly those who have undergone bariatric surgery, such as gastric bypass or lap band. This set includes 2 plates and 2 bowls, each specifically designed to support portion control, a key aspect of weight management. These self-measuring plates and bowls feature clearly marked portion sizes, promoting mindful eating by helping users avoid overeating. They are especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as they allow for more precise control over food intake, ensuring balanced meals that align with dietary needs. The set is ideal for both adults and children, making it versatile for families seeking healthier eating habits. Product 14. Product name Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper is a versatile kitchen gadget designed to simplify meal prep by offering multiple functions in one compact tool. This 4-in-1 chopper includes a food chopper, onion chopper, vegetable slicer, and spiralizer, making it an essential accessory for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process. It features a built-in container that collects chopped ingredients, reducing mess and cleanup time. Ideal for slicing, dicing, and spiralizing vegetables and fruits, the chopper's sharp blades and ergonomic design ensure efficiency and ease of use. In the context of your interests in home appliances and kitchen tools, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper stands out as an excellent addition for simplifying food preparation. Whether you're chopping vegetables for a salad, slicing onions for a dish, or spiralizing zucchini for a low-carb meal, this chopper is designed to handle various tasks with minimal effort, making it a must-have for your kitchen. Product 15. Product name Mug Warmer. A mug warmer is a practical device designed to keep your beverages, such as coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, at the perfect temperature for longer periods. The coffee mug warmer you're referring to comes with 3 adjustable temperature settings, allowing you to customize the heat to your preference. This feature is ideal for people who enjoy their drinks at different temperatures throughout the day. Additionally, it includes a 2 to 12-hour auto shut-off function, which ensures safety by automatically turning off the warmer after a set period, reducing the risk of overheating. This easy-to-clean warmer is perfect for desks, offering a convenient solution for those who work long hours and want to keep their coffee or tea warm without constant reheating. It's an excellent gift idea, especially for coffee lovers or anyone who spends time at a desk, making it a thoughtful and practical addition to their workspace. Its sleek and functional design also makes it a great match for various mug styles, offering both utility and a touch of modern convenience.